everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your Qwen account. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, now go to the search bar right here and start typing chat.qwen.ai. After typing that, press on enter. And this will lead you to the official website of Qwen. And now you will be able to see two different buttons right here, login and sign up. Click on login and this will lead you to the login page of Qwen. Now what you're going to do is enter your email that you used to create your Qwen account, and in here enter your password. After you've done that, click on login. And like that, you have now successfully been logged into Qwen. Very easy and simple, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.